Most people's jaws drop to about their knees as they walk into the place, and they say, wow, how long did it take to collect these? The collector and owner of this is Andy Leider, and he got into this back after 9/11, wanted to preserve fire apparatus. This is one of our newest arrivals. It's a 1925 Aaron's Fox City Service ladder, also known as a triple combination, in that it has the ladders, it has a chemical tank, and a pump. Each one is mostly unique, not like the trucks that are being built today, especially the Aaron's Fox models. They are so very unique. The ultimate goal is to open this as an interactive museum. The public come in, be able to sit in the cabs of the trucks, show people how the trucks actually operate. Quite a collection.